Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen, and today we're gonna make some soup, guys. Welcome my lovely subscribers and my lovely viewers. Guys, I have some cowfoot in the fridge. So I just take them out. I'm gonna make some soup with some bones. So I'm gonna wash them and clean them up with some vinegar and some lime juice and get them in the pot, guys. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. I'm gonna clean them up, wash them. So okay guys, I finished washing my beef bone and my cowfoot. I'm gonna put in the beef bone first. I don't have any salt to cut these, so I have to put them as how I got them. So this is my cowfoot. I'm gonna put them inside. And guys, it's gonna take a while to cook. So guys, we're gonna make it stay on the fire for a while and then we're gonna get back to you. I'm gonna put some red peas inside after, but not right now because I didn't get any pumpkin today. There was no nice pumpkin in the store today, so stay tuned guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna start cutting up my vegetable for my soup. This is my chocho. I have chocho, carrot and turnip. This I wash them and peel them and wash it already. So I'm gonna start getting everything ready until the cowfoot is cooked. Still not finished yet. I just want to get all my stuff together. This is my turnip. So guys, this is my Saturday night cowfoot soup, okay guys? So you can make this on a Saturday night for your Saturday night dinner. Okay, so I'm gonna do my carrots now. Okay guys, I have all my vegetable in this now. So I'm gonna set it aside. I'm going to peel my cocoa just now and get right back to you. Okay guys, I'm going to cut my celery. Okay guys, my celery is finished now. I'm gonna do my cocoa. Next I'm gonna peel my cocoa and wash it, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm peeling my cocoa. And this is a guys, tell me what kind of cocoa is this, if it's a left man or whatever. I don't remember the name of them. So guys, tell me in the comment section what kind of cocoa is this one, okay?
Or some countries call it different names.
Yes, yeah, some countries call it different names. But in Jamaica, I want the Jamaica people to tell me what kind of cocoa is this.
Or in other countries what they call it.
Yeah. Left man cocoa, I don't remember the name. But this cocoa I love from back home, because this one is always dry and nice. I love it more than the white cocoa. Okay guys, so I'm finished peeling my cocoa. I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna come right back to you when I'm cutting it up, okay guys? So stay tuned guys, I'm gonna wash my cocoa. And guys, remember, put in the comment what type of cocoa is this one, if it's left man cocoa or what you call it in your country, okay guys? gonna leave my yellow piece of yellow for last, because when you, if I peel them now, it's gonna get black, so I don't want them to get black, so I'm gonna leave that for last. Okay guys, so stay tuned guys. I've finished cutting my cocoa. I'm gonna put them in the basin now. So stay tuned guys. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my vegetable to my soup. See, my soup is still boiling. As you can see, meats are up. When there's not too much meat, it's mostly bones. As you can see, you cut it and it goes. Okay, so get in there guys. I'm gonna start adding my vegetable now though. So okay guys, I'm adding my carrots, my turnip, and my chocho, and my celery. I'm adding everything right now guys. Already wash and cut up. I'm adding that right now. I'm gonna make it boil a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my yellow yam, and I'm gonna add my dumpling and my seasoning last guys. So stay tuned guys. I'll go. Oh, my cocoa, I can add my cocoa also. So I'm gonna add my cocoa also. So stay tuned guys. I'll make it boil for maybe 5 minutes, and then I add my yellow yam and my dumplings. So stay tuned guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna start making my little dumplings for my soup. And this dough what I make, I have cornmeal and flour, okay guys? But I love cornmeal dumpling in my soup. So this is cornmeal dumpling. Spinners, yeah.
And dumpling. Let me say and dumpling.
Yeah. What do they mean? Spinners and dumpling. What am I saying here? Anytime you end up with dumpling at the end. I'm gonna make some round one guys, and I'm gonna make some little long ones. I want you guys to tell me who love cornmeal dumpling in the comment section. I prefer cornmeal dumpling more than a pure flour dumpling anyway. It tastes better to me. The only way you're supposed to eat the white dumpling is when you're eating it hot with butter. When you're eating white dumpling with butter, it's nice. It's very, very nice. Hot white dumpling with butter. Okay guys, I almost finished. Okay guys, I'm gonna make 2 round dumplings with these. I need those for myself. 2 dumplings for myself, yeah. And I'm gonna make, yeah. Four. So I'm gonna put them 2 in my soup for my lunch. I'm gonna eat the other one when I'm finished. Okay guys, so all my dumplings are in the pot right now. I'm gonna add in my chicken noodle. I'm gonna make this boil up a little bit, and then I add my chicken noodles, my cock soup, and my pumpkin soup. Okay guys, so stay tuned guys. Okay guys, I'm adding my onion, my scallion, and my thyme, and garlic. I add garlic too. I have some more scallion here what I beat. I'm gonna add everything to the soup. I'm gonna add a pumpkin beef soup mix. cock soup. That's gonna be all my salt in my soup, guys. I think I'm not gonna add any salt. So guys, I'm gonna let it stay here and simmer down, and I'll get right back to you guys. My dumplings are floating. I'm gonna eat one with some butter right now, because I didn't eat it from morning, so I'm gonna have one of these big dumplings with a little butter. So stay tuned, guys. And so okay, guys, my Saturday night soup is ready. Cowfoot soup. I'm gonna share 2 bowls now, guys. So you stay tuned. I'm gonna share the dish and show you my finished product. Okay, guys? So stay tuned. Okay, guys, so my Saturday night soup is finished. Cowfoot soup. So one is for my sister, one is for my brother-in-law. I'm gonna share mine in my calabash. So guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, please. And guys, tell me where you're watching from, so I could give you a shout out in the next video. Okay, guys? Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in our next video. Goodbye.